It was a very complicated project because of the amount of valleys, hips, the octagonal roof, the chimney stacks had to come down, be rebuilt. It wasn't a straightforward up and over roof what you'd see on many a building site. It was very complex. We found the BMI product very good to work with because of the help and advice what was on hand at the end of a phone or the end of an email. Frank was always there to offer his opinion and any advice what we needed. Basically everything's done for us. They will put the specification in front of us and it's just a case of following their specification. So a lot of the hard work was done before a single tile was either stripped off or relaid.